What is going on, everybody? It is the Redneck Cook. I've got something real fun we're going to try tonight. This comes from Bulley's Lodge here in Caledonia, Mississippi, right up the road, just about 10 minutes or so. He got us something cool all the way from Australia. Boom! Kangaroo. Yeah, we're fixing to eat Captain Kangaroo up in here tonight. We're going to cook him out on the grill, baby. Running about medium rare, about 115 to 125 degrees. Simple seasonings. Let's go ahead and let's get this started. This is gonna be fun. Okay. Salt, black pepper, garlic. That's it. That's all we're gonna do to it. I'm gonna take a moment and just admire this bad boy. That is a real lean piece of meat right there. He is not, I'm not gonna put ton of salt on him and just sit here for a while like you normally would think you would, like with ribeye or something else. Let that salt penetrate into that and get some of that fat, that moisture and everything out. He ain't gonna have a whole lot to it. Shouldn't, but this is our first time, so this is gonna be real interesting to see what exactly that he tastes like. This stuff runs about 30 bucks a pound, and I got it right on the nose. Simple seasonings, but not super heavy. Get it rubbed around all over it. I'm gonna leave nothing extra. All right, let's go get the grill fired up. All right, fire's ready to go. We are outside now. It's time to get this on the grill. One quick thing though, just to let everybody aware of, I did go ahead and put a temp monitor on here. We're gonna run to about 120 degrees, okay? It's brand new for me, especially. It's a super red meat, I know, right? So we're gonna do this, we're gonna play this safe. It's $30 a pound. We're gonna treat this as delicate as possible. So here we go. Okay, got them sitting directly over for the moment. We're gonna run, they're currently at 55 degrees. We're gonna run them to 115. And then we're gonna take them off and we're gonna let them rest. Yeah, buddy. Looking real pretty. Now we're gonna handle that for the moment. 72 degrees. We're getting there. Looking lovely. Yes, yes, yes. 93. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. They're running about 100 degrees right now. They've already cooked on the amount of time that I want them to cook on either side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them off of that direct heat. We're just gonna let them chill out with the lid on. Be quiet, excuse him. Cleanup crew, right? They always get nosy. Running 100 degrees at the moment. So we're gonna cover him up. Just let him hang out for a few more minutes, let him get up to temp, then we're gonna let him rest. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and let's get that out. We'll get that washed here in a minute. Now, because they don't have a whole lot of fat on them, they are going to rest. We're going to let them rest twice as long as what we're cooking for. Cooking about 5 to 6 minutes total. So they're going to hang out for at least 10. which will do just fine because I got some roasted taters in the oven. We're gonna let them sit with butter. And we're gonna cover these bad boys. And they're just gonna hang out with their little expensive asses, okay? The little spoiled selves. They're gonna chill. We're gonna eat here in a minute. And I'm so excited. Okay, it is time. It is the moment of truth. Yes. Right there, baby. We're gonna get close in up on it. Hang on. There you go. Man, that is good. Just a quick look. Looks pretty good, don't it? Let's give this bad boy a shot. Cooking for about 4.5, 5 minutes completely total. Over fire completely, over the coals. Then set it to the side off the coal for a few minutes. And how she looks. Just a little bit on the rare side, but hey, here we go. Wow. I did not expect that. He is tender. I don't want to talk while I was chewing. I didn't want to ruin the moment for me. We're going to cut this video short today because this is good and I am hungry. One more little bit about it again. He is just a little on the rare side, but that's fine with me. Thanks to Bulley's Lodge in Caledonia for getting a hold of this so I could get in here and get to trying it myself. They got all kinds of good stuff they got going on in there. If you're ever in town around them, make sure you go hit them up. As for me, I'm fixing to have to make my fat kid heart happy. Peace.